I'm Brittany with WTI, and there's really nothing better than having a nice, peaceful spot in your backyard. And this Luckyberry 10 by 10 pergola really helped us transform our backyard to have that spot. So we recently completely overhauled our backyard. We wanted a nice little pergola setup. And wow, I really was blown away by the quality of this pergola, the intricate design to make it so useful. It is very lightweight. It's completely made of aluminum. It is very sturdy. The feet just anchor into the ground. We wanted it, because it is very windy here, we wanted to anchor it a little bit more, so we actually made little cement feet that we bolted into it and then buried it. And it is just absolutely beautiful. I love the simple black and gray because there's a lot you can do around it as far as with decorations. It is actually the decorative part up top that's 10 by 10. On the interior of the legs, it's closer to 8 by 8, which was absolutely perfect for our little backyard. It is absolutely beautiful from head to toe. My favorite feature about this is the retractable shade, because we'd love to be able to still see our trees, because we have a lot of beautiful trees here. And also when the nighttime comes, it's a beautiful opportunity to pull it back and to stargaze. I just love how versatile it is. The shade really makes such a big difference. When it is very bright and sunny, you pull that over, you feel a big difference in temperature. It does a great job with blocking out the sun. I absolutely love it. I definitely think if you are wanting to add a special element to your backyard where you can just relax and enjoy the beauty, this is such a must-have. But that's my point of view.